Yeah, hello everybody. In this video we're gonna show you our new toy. It's not completely new, but you haven't seen it like this before. Yeah, some of you guys have asked that can you please film video from this toy, and now I will show you. Yeah, that back there is our Crosskart, and if you have seen it before, it didn't have engine like this. Now it have turbo Hayabusa engine. Engine produced somewhere around 300 horsepower. And if you have seen this Crosskart on our channel before, it have had the stock R1 Yamaha engine. So now there is like twice as much power. Yeah, the Crosskart weighs somewhere near like 300 kilos, so it's pretty damn good power to weight ratio. And it have the same technique what we have on our drift bike, that Suzuki Hayabusa turbo drift bike. Yeah, you have seen that. So this Crosskart have exactly the same technique. It's a Hayabusa engine where is a ProBoost Turbo Kit on it. And if you are interested like buying turbo kits, ProBoost Turbo Kits are really good and really simple to install. The link is in the description, and if you are interested how we install that kit, the link is in the description. So we swapped the Yamaha R1 engine to this Suzuki turbo engine on that TV program what we did to Telia. So the link on that TV program is on the description again. But anyway, the engine is not running like it should. But anyway, maybe we can fix it. But you know, I show you this thing. This is so good. Yeah, I give you guys a tour. So yeah, you have maybe seen our videos where we did those rear A-arms like a couple of years ago. We got now a new fuel tank. Yep, and there you can see the ProBoost Turbo Kit. We need also new fuel pump. It's down there. That is the fuel pressure meter. It's a little bit dirty because we have drive this thing like a couple times, and you know it has been rainy test ride days, so you know it's a little bit dirty. But we got here like stock Hayabusa a meter, and the same what we have on our Hayabusa turbo bike, and that is why, because it shows every time when you have like some problems. We got new pedal box. It's down here. Yeah, it's from this rally car shop, so it's pretty good, but the pedals ain't like, I wanna change the pedals a little bit like further down there. Here we got the brake pressure line. Yeah, you can switch the rear brake completely off. And here we got the handbrake. Yeah, the rally car handbrake. That is the gear shifter. The front is old, but the brakes are new. We got the new brakes, but this whole front we should build like new, because I don't like this front. The steering, I don't like the steering. There's a little bit loose on the steering. I want to change that, and maybe we can build it much more better on a winter. What else do we have? Yeah, okay, the graphic. Yeah, Scream Uber tape graphic. The link is on the description. I think it looks much more better than the black and white, because you know it brings a little bit color to this rusty and black pipe car what we have here. But I don't know, that engine is so good, and there is like too much power. I don't know, there is like too much power on this car right now. It's just out of control. This rear diff, I know, do you call this like diff is the right word, but anyway, this is from the racing Crosskart, this part right here, and the rear sprocket is now a little bit too big because we had the Yamaha R1 engine, and this sprocket was good on an ice track and on a small places to do drifting, but this engine have so much power that we should like put much more smaller rear sprocket on the back. But anyway, this thing will burn every single rear tire what you can like put on the back, because there's insane torque and insane power on that engine. The engine was a little bit bigger than the R1 engine, so we had to do the frame modification. It's a little bit bigger now. It's like 10 centimeters longer than it was before. And the problems what we have right now is that the engine doesn't run well, and we don't exactly know what the problem is. It might be that we have like bad fuel pump, but this is completely new. But there is sometimes that, you know, you buy like new fuel pump and it's just broken already. But with film, last time when we test this, we put GoPro here and it filmed the fuel pressure meter, and the meter was dropping every time when you like slammed the throttle all the way down. The pressure meter was dropping all the way down here. We thought that maybe it's like because of the bad wirings. We did new wirings, but it didn't help anything. So there is some sort of electrical problem, or we got a bad fuel pump. So we maybe should change the fuel pump first. I got a new fuel pump, and after that we can like test ride it and see does it work. But anyway, let's fire this thing up. You know, this is not ready. I don't say this is ready. You know, if you have like race cars or like project cars, you know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about that. You know, this isn't ready like maybe ever. You know, there's like every time when you drive this thing, you fix something, you make something better, and you go test drive it, you feel that, okay, that is what I'm gonna do next. So maybe these project cars aren't ready like ever. So we got a lot of things to do. But anyway, here we have switch the power, the fuel pump. That is, I think that, and yeah. I turned the mic now. Yeah, man. Listen to it. It doesn't run pretty well. It's not like our bike what we have runs much more better, and the only difference is that fuel pump. We got the original fuel pump on our drift bike, what this this Crosskart have different fuel pump and it doesn't run well, so well, there is like the first thing what we're gonna look. I go get my GoPro. I ain't gonna leave this running because you never know. You never know. It catch on fire. I go get my GoPro. I don't know exactly what is the problem with that Crosskart, but every time when we try to film something, it starts raining. We have tried to film that thing like 4 times and always it started raining. But yeah, we're here. We can adjust the suspension, the radiator suspension. Now it's like the hardest. So there is not like no grip at all. But that is how we roll. Fuel pump. Like I said, let's do short test drive because you will hear that that engine doesn't run well, so we don't wanna broke anything because that engine is so expensive. We don't wanna burn it. What we have. Now let's take these back to our workshop. Fuck yeah, boys.
Sounds pretty badass.
Yeah, it sounds good, but when it's on a neutral, the engine sounds good, it revs good, but when you drive it on the high revs, it starts like blah 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 blah. And I guess when there is a like load on it, it starts doing blah 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 noise. And you know, we filmed that fuel pressure meter and it was dropping. So maybe we could like change the fuel pump now and, you know, test drive it. Made in the USA. Here's the new one. old fuel pump had too small, these, I don't know what you can call these. So I connect the new fuel pump with chip tied. Yeah, now it's connected. The fuel line is pretty good. I warm that fuel hose, so it came a little bit soft and I could push it all the way down there. This is not final solution, but maybe now we can just fire it up and see, do it even work. Now here is 40, so it's good. Maybe we can fire it up. Battery is dead. Yep. Yeah, meanwhile the battery is charging. Look what these guys found. Brand new game. Yeah, brand new iMac.
This is first computer with the mouse. Did you know?
Really?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Oh my god.
Look at under it.
Yeah, try to play Counter-Strike with this mouse.
Look at under it. There's a roll.
Yeah, I remember the roll. The roll was on my PC, but I haven't seen Mac like this before. Restart this.
Why is that?
Because there is the FI fault line.
Ah.
No fucking way. The battery is completely gone. And the fault line is again on. This is a normal day if you have project car or race car.
Normal day with this.
Fix, test, fix. Maybe next time we will know, did that fuel pump make any difference? There was a better sound on that engine when it was running here, but we don't actually know, did the new fuel pump make any difference? I don't know. I like work with this Crosskart, and maybe in upcoming videos I will show you guys what we will do with this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Very awesome, very fast.